Good morning everyone. We are again here in Narayana Live classes. Today we will discuss the chapter Quality and the assignment dated 4 July 2020. So Quality has been written by John Galsworthy. We all believe in quality. Suppose even if we have to buy a pair of shoes, a dress, we always look for quality things. So let's get started with the question answers. The first question. From when did the narrator know Mr. Gessler? Who is Mr. Gessler? He was a shoemaker. When the narrator was small, he knew Mr. Gessler because he used to go to the shop with his father. So from when did the narrator know Mr. Gessler? According to the author, according to the narrator, he knew Mr. Gessler from the days of his extreme youth. Why? Because Mr. Gessler made his father's boot. And where his shop was situated? It was in the market. With whom he was living in the shop? He lived with his elder brother in his shop. And even his elder brother resembled Mr. Gessler. Now coming to the second question. How was the shop of Mr. Gessler? As you can see in the picture also, Mr. Gessler believed in quality. He did not believe in pomp and show. He did not believe in show off. So the shop had a certain quite distinction. Distinctions mean it was quite different than others. And it had very less similarity with other shops, as it was not very decorated. Why? Because again I am repeating, they believed only in quality. So there was no sign upon it other than the name of Gessler Brothers. And in the window they had kept a few pairs of boots, so that people will get to know that this is boot shop. That's it. Now if I talk about the third question, so what is that? What was the author's opinion about Mr. Gessler as a boot maker? He had a high opinion. He respected him a lot as a shopkeeper. Why? Because he knew that he makes quality boots. So what was the author's opinion? The author had a high opinion about Mr. Gessler, about boot making. He made only what was ordered, and what he made never failed to fit. It means Mr. Gessler used to make perfect boots. Let's move to the fourth question. Why was it not possible to go to Mr. Gessler very often? As since first question we are discussing that Mr. Gessler was a very qualitative boot maker. So obviously there was no reason, because his shoes were everlasted. That was the reason. So one couldn't go to Mr. Gessler's shop very often. The reason behind the same was his boots were excellent and everlasting. His boots lasted terribly, having something beyond the temporary, as if some essence of wood stitched into them. Why? Again I am repeating, he believed in quality. He did not believe in show off. So they were everlasting boots. That was the reason one who purchases boots, no need to go again and again to get a new pair of boots. The last question, how does one feel when he turns up to the shop of Mr. Gessler? As it was a shop which was belonged to Mr. Gessler, and he was a very nice person. He was very dedicated towards his work. So the atmosphere, the environment was very peaceful. So when one one turns up to the shop of Mr. Kessler, he feels as if one has entered a church. Why? Because it was very peaceful. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.